Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia XR20 and let me share with you how to turn on the demo mode on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's tap on Advanced and enter Developer Options. Of course that was a misclick, so let's enter the Developer Options. And if you cannot find the Developer Options in your device, no worries, you can check our tutorial of how to enable them. So let's check it and go back to this video. So since we are in the Developer Options, we have to scroll down a little bit in order to find System UI Demo Mode. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got two options, two switchers actually. After tapping on this very first one, actually nothing happened. I mean, the demo mode is active, but we cannot see it. So if you'd like to show it, just tap on the second switcher. And as you can see, we've got the differences on the status bar. So we've got the icons in the full state, and we've got the default hour, the default time set. So of course you can keep it turned on without showing it just by tapping on the switcher here, and you can turn it off completely just by tapping on this on the switcher at the very top. So actually this is it. This is how to enable demo mode in your Nokia XR20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.